Hello, today I'm going to teach you the steps on how to speed up your laptop. First go to the search bar and type run. A small box will appear at the lower left corner. Type Percent Temp %, then click OK. Click Select All. Right-click and delete, or you can simply push the delete button on your laptop. Click Select All. Wait until it's done. Once it's done, click Exit. Go back to the search bar and type Run. Go back to the search bar. A box will appear at the lower left corner. This time type Prefetch and click OK. Click Select All. Right-click and select Delete. Wait until it's done. Don't worry, because important files will not be deleted. Only the unnecessary files. Once it's done, click Exit. Go back to the search bar and type Disk Cleanup. This will take a few minutes. Wait until it's done. Make sure to tick all the boxes. Click Clean up System Files. This will take a few minutes. Disk Cleanup will appear. Make sure to tick all the boxes, then click OK. Click Delete Files. This will allow you to delete unnecessary files that causes your laptop or computer to run slow. Wait until it's completed. Once it's done, right-click and refresh your laptop. Don't forget restart your laptop or computer.